Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make salad design at home. First, select your greens. Romaine, spinach, or a spring mix are excellent choices for a fresh base. Make sure to wash and thoroughly dry them. This step is crucial for preventing a watery salad and ensuring your dressing adheres well. A good rule of thumb is to use about 2 to 3 cups of greens per person to create a satisfying foundation for your culinary creation. Next, let's add some vibrant vegetables to your salad. Think about a rainbow of colors to make your salad visually stunning and packed with nutrients. Uniformly slicing or dicing your veggies, like bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes, not only looks great, but also makes every bite enjoyable. Aim for at least 3 to 4 different types of vegetables to create a rich texture and flavor profile. Now, let's boost your salad with some satisfying protein and healthy fats. Grilled chicken, chickpeas, or hard-boiled eggs are fantastic protein options that will keep you feeling full. For healthy fats, consider adding creamy avocado slices, a quarter cup of crunchy walnuts, or a sprinkle of chia seeds. These elements not only enhance the flavor but also provide essential nutrients, making your salad a complete and balanced meal. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches with your dressing and garnish. Select a dressing that complements your ingredients, whether it's a zesty vinaigrette or a creamy ranch. Remember to drizzle it lightly just before serving to keep your greens crisp and fresh. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, a dash of freshly ground black pepper, or a few crumbles of feta cheese can elevate your salad from good to absolutely gourmet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.